In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Jira dashboard with others. Whether you're collaborating with team members, sharing critical project updates, or simply making sure everyone is on the same page, sharing your Jira dashboard is a useful skill. It's about making collaboration seamless and efficient, and this video will guide you through it in just a few simple steps. Let's start by heading to the Jira homepage. When you first log in, you'll want to navigate to the Your Work section. This is typically where you'll find an overview of all your current tasks, projects, and boards. It's essentially your personalized workspace in Jira, where you can quickly access the projects and tasks that are relevant to you. By starting here, you ensure that you're already logged in and ready to jump straight into the specific project you want to work with. Now, once you're in your work, the next thing you'll want to do is select the project that contains the dashboard you wish to share. All of your projects should be listed here, and it's just a matter of picking the right one. Think of each project as a container that holds everything associated with that particular effort. Your dashboard, your issues, your reports, and so on. So make sure you've selected the correct project that holds the dashboard you want to focus on. Next, we move to the dashboard itself. In most instances, it will be available within the main menu or under a specific tab related to your selected project. Once you have located and opened your dashboard, you'll want to look for the share icon. It is usually positioned in the top right corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to sharing this resource with others. Clicking it will pull up a dialog or a small window that gives you the option to specify whom you'd like to share the dashboard with. After opening up the sharing options, now comes the part where you decide who gets access. You'll be presented with a field where you can type in a name, a team name, or even an email address. This is quite flexible because it allows you to share the dashboard with an individual or a whole team. This functionality is particularly useful in larger organizations where you might be working with multiple teams or departments, and different people need access to this information. Besides specifying who will receive the dashboard, you also have the opportunity to add a personal touch by including a message. This is helpful if you need to give context or explain why the dashboard is being shared. Maybe you're prompting action, providing feedback, or even just updating stakeholders on progress. Whatever your reason, a short message can communicate the intent and perhaps make your recipient more likely to engage with what's being shared. Once you have everything set up, the recipients chosen, and the message typed out, it's time to take the final step and click the share button. This action will send the dashboard and any accompanying information you provided straight to the people you've specified. Confirmation of this step usually appears on screen, and with that your dashboard is now shared. Sharing a Jira dashboard can dramatically improve collaboration, as it allows you to bring team members up to speed quickly. Dashboards are a great way to visualize project progress and current statuses, and being able to share this readily ensures everyone has access to the most relevant and up-to-date information. It's about setting everyone up for success, facilitating better communication, and ensuring that your projects continue to move forward smoothly with all relevant parties informed. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to efficiently share dashboards across your team, providing them with critical insight and helping them to stay informed, and that is how you unlock the power of collaborative project management using Jira. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help out. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on project management and collaboration tools like Jira. See you in the next video.